Welcome to Healthy Habits channel. Here we give you the latest and surest health facts as it relates to you. Today, we will be looking at 8 everyday foods that are slowly killing you. Being healthy should be part of your overall lifestyle. Living a healthy lifestyle can help prevent chronic diseases and long-term illnesses. Feeling good about yourself and taking care of your health are important for your self-esteem and self-image. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by doing what is right for your body. In this new video, we'll be showing you 8 everyday foods that are slowly killing you. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a video. 1. Soda. Diet and regular sodas have both been linked to obesity, kidney damage, and certain cancers. Regular soft drinks have been linked to elevated blood pressure. 2. Bread. If you eat too much bread because of all carbs, salt, refined sugar, and preservative that it contains, it can make you put on pounds. Eating it in moderation is fine, especially when you take the time to make sure it's as healthy as possible. 3. Vegetable oil. The unsaturated fats found in vegetable oils when they are heated tend to oxidize. In this form, they are more dangerous to body tissues and can trigger inflammation, a known risk factor for making blood vessel plates unstable enough to cause a heart attack. 4. Kidney beans. Kidney beans contain a natural toxin called lectin. This can cause stomach aches and vomiting. The toxin is destroyed by proper cooking. Tinned kidney beans have already been cooked, so you can use them straight away. 5. Canned food. Canned foods may contain bisphenol A, which is a chemical often used in food packaging. Bisphenol A is believed to migrate from the can into the food, leading to various health conditions that can cause negative impact on the overall health. 6. Potatoes. Potatoes will often go green when they are not stored properly and they are exposed to light. This is due to the formation of chlorophyll, which is found in all green plants. However, the green color is a useful indicator that levels of certain toxins that are harmful to humans, known as glycoalkaloids, may be increased. 7. Sugar. The effect of added sugar intake can cause higher blood pressure, inflammation, weight gain, diabetes, and fatty liver diseases are all linked to an increased risk for heart attack and stroke. 8. Margarine. Risk of eating margarine. Although margarine may contain some heart-friendly nutrients, it often contains trans fats, which has been associated with an increased risk of heart disease and other chronic health issues. The information contained in this video is meant to be helpful and educational, but is not a substitute for medical advice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and to share with friends. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell if you wish to receive more videos from us. We love you.